Ollie, why did your video get so many views? It has 46 of them, which means you're in another video because I don't lie to my subscribers. So, here he is again. He's so cute. I'm under a lamp for some reason, and I'm pre-recording this on a new mic I got, so I can talk more clear. And oh my god, Ollie, don't start. He's trying to knock stuff off the counter. Um, I like the lighting. Why he looks a little more bright. I'm using different lighting. And do not look at his tag. Someone made that mistake. Alright, Ollie, tell him to subscribe. If this video gets the same amount of views, I'm